What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, so today we're going to review day one. We are going to, Jesus Christ. So we're going to review day one here of this futures challenge. And when I tell you it's a disappointing one, I mean it. And here's why. We made, fuck it, reset, like 140 or something. So we made 140 today off one trade. Now, first, let me show you the trade. Okay, so where is it? All right, so here we are. We're on the 15-minute chart, by the way. So we had this huge bear run at the start of the day. Found this new test of this level that I've been watching for a while. We swept under. I caught this little bull run. I only went in with two, and I sold immediately because when I tell you I got absolutely killed today by school, that's what I mean. I had two quizzes at perfect opportunities, perfect setups that I had. And then, in the last period of the day, I had a beautiful setup, which I'm about to show you, and my teacher made me close my fucking Chromebook, so I couldn't trade it. Beautiful, right? So here's what the setup was. So first of all, we have this fair value gap that has done its thing, so we're going to delete it. But what happened was, we have this huge bearish fair value gap on the 15-minute chart that happened right at open. It had already rejected once and done its thing. We had this move, this sweep on liquidity, as you guys see here. And now I've set it as a thing. It's been violated ever since. So we're going to reset that level for tomorrow. But violated, swept our liquidity, and made a run. Now I was like, okay, if we can touch or test this bearish fair value gap and close below, not only do we have this fair value gap, we also have this order block here as supportive movement back down to our sweep. I know it's tough to trade against a sweep, but considering all the bearish momentum that we had today, I thought it would be a good idea, and it was. And right when this candle hit here, boom, my Chromebook gets shut off, and I missed the run, and what a run it was indeed. Just to be precise here. And by the way, my take profit was at the sweep. So, yeah, 20 bars. So anyway, I missed that move, which I'm so devastated about. I am very, very devastated. But it's okay. You know, we still made 120 off one trade in literally a minute. It was literally just the most immediate bull move to the upside that you could have possibly gotten. So I'm not even mad, to be honest. But it was a fine day. You know, we're back up like literally at 50K exactly. So if you want to call tomorrow the real day one, oh my geez, my headphones. If you want to call tomorrow the real day one, then you could totally do that because, you know, today was kind of like just a feeling out process. But here are my levels. We still have this high that has been respected here for buy side. We still have this higher high on the 1 hour time frame as buy side. And we're going to keep this fair value gap because it served its purpose twice already and we're approaching it at close. I'm also expecting a bearish day for SPY tomorrow. Just a little bit of a, I don't know. You know, I could always be wrong, of course. But we're down a little bit after hours. I want to see a test of this fair value gap. Possibly, and if we get an inversion of this fair value gap, then I'm looking for sells as soon as we sweep this level. I really can't see us breaking this level tomorrow because I'm really heavy on bearish, you know, just considering the strength. But if we do, we have this order block as safety, and, you know, I'm expecting a sweep. Obviously, if we don't sweep and we have divergence right through it, then maybe we could test this level. But once again, I don't see that happening. I don't see it breaking this high. So I'm looking for a test on this same 15-minute fair value gap that formed today in the open. It's also got an order block inside of an order block, which is always strong, and we could push and possibly test this sell side. So that's the plan for tomorrow. Push this level and look for sells. My get back for not being able to do it today. So push this level, get sells to the downside, or push this level and get buys up. Also, possibly catch a nice little inversion of this fair value gap and then get sells if we sweep this level or potentially this level. If none of the above on that happens, then maybe don't trade, but, you know, unless something absolutely beautiful happens, like, you know, an inverse on the 3-minute or the 5-minute, like, you know, you could always trade these fair value gaps and stuff like that, but I don't like to do that on such a small time frame. You know, like something like this, like a nice little fair value gap. that we tested, and then as soon as we inversed, we had a huge downside movement. You could always trade those, but I like to always look at the 15-minute or the hour for my fair value guess, just because, I can stay in my trades and have a bit more confidence that I could let them run if I have a low pullback, whereas if it's on the 3-minute, if I see one red candle, I start getting weary. So, yeah. That is the goal for tomorrow. Good day. I'm not going to complain about, 120, 140, whatever it was. But tomorrow we come in strong. So be ready for tomorrow. We're hoping for a good day. I should be able to trade all day. So, yeah, we're going to cook, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good luck. So that's how you make, I already showed the play, but that's how you make 120 in 1 minute in the market. And tomorrow we're going to go for 500 to 1,000. That's the goal. See you guys tomorrow. Good luck. Happy Friday.